Microorganisms, friend and foe. Microorganisms are very small organisms which cannot be seen with the unaided eye. They can be seen only with a magnifying glass or microscope. Microorganisms may be unicellular or multicellular. Microorganisms may exist alone or in colonies. Microorganisms are found in all kinds of environment like ice-cold climate, hot springs, desert, marshy lands, etc. They are also found inside the bodies of other organisms. Types of microorganisms. There are four main types of microorganisms. They have bacteria, fungi, algae, and protozoans. Viruses are also considered as microorganisms. They are different from other microorganisms because they reproduce only in the body of host organisms like bacteria, plants, or animals. Example: Algae Chlamydomonas, Spirogyra, etc. Fungi, bread mold, penicillium, aspergillus, etc. Protozoans, amoeba, paramecium, etc. Virus. Friendly microorganisms or useful microorganisms. Microorganisms like bacteria decomposes organic waste into manure and increases the fertility of the soil. Microorganisms help in fixing atmospheric nitrogen into nitrogen compounds in the soil and increases the fertility of the soil. Microorganisms are used to make curd from milk or for making cheese, pickles, breads, cakes, pastries, alcohol, wine, vinegar. They are used for making medicines. Making curd from milk, the bacterium called lactobacillus reproduces in milk and helps to convert milk into curd. Making bread, the fungus called yeast reproduces in flour dough and produces carbon dioxide during respiration, which makes the dough soft and helps in making bread, cakes, biscuits, pastries, etc. Making alcohol, the fungus called yeast reproduces in sugar solution and converts it into alcohol. This process is called fermentation. Making medicines. Some bacteria and fungi are used to make medicines which kill or stop the growth of disease-causing microorganisms. Such medicines are called antibiotics. Example: streptomycin, tetracycline, erythromycin, etc. Vaccines are dead or weakened microbes introduced into body to produce antibodies. These antibodies protect the body from disease-causing microbes. Diseases like polio, cholera, typhoid, smallpox, hepatitis, etc. can be prevented by taking vaccines. Harmful microorganisms. Some microorganisms cause diseases in plants and animals. And such disease-causing microorganisms are called pathogens. Some microorganisms grow in food substances and produce toxic substances and make the food poisonous. Food poisoning causes illness and even death. Some microorganisms spoil materials like clothing, leather, wood, etc. Disease-causing microorganisms in humans. Disease-causing microorganisms enter our body through air, water, food, contact, or insects. These microorganisms are called pathogens. Diseases that can spread from an infected person to a healthy person are called communicable diseases. Cholera, common cold, chickenpox, tuberculosis, etc. Some insects and animals act as carriers of disease-causing microbes. Housefly, female Anopheles mosquito, female Aedes mosquito, etc. Female Anopheles mosquito, Aedes mosquito. Disease-causing microorganisms in plants. Microorganisms cause diseases in plants like rice, wheat, potato, sugarcane, apple, orange, etc. These diseases reduce crop yield. They can be controlled by using chemicals which kill microbes. Some common human diseases caused by microorganisms: chickenpox, polio, measles, hepatitis B, tuberculosis, typhoid, cholera, malaria. Plant diseases: citrus canker, rust of wheat, yellow mosaic of okra. Food preservation. Food is spoiled by microorganisms. Spoiled food has bad smell and bad taste and causes food poisoning. Food can be preserved by protecting it from microorganisms. Food can be preserved by different methods, etc. They are chemical method. Food like pickles can be preserved by using chemicals like salt and edible oils. Jams and squashes can be preserved by using sodium benzoate, sodium metabisulphite. These chemicals are called preservatives. By using common salt. Food items like fish, meat, amla, raw mangoes, tamarind, etc. can be preserved by using common salt. It prevents the growth of microbes. By using sugar. Food items like jams, jellies, squashes, etc. can be preserved by using sugar solution. It prevents the growth of microbes. By using oil and vinegar. Food items like pickles, vegetables, fish, meat, etc. are preserved by using oil and vinegar. It prevents from growth of microorganisms. By heat and cold treatment. Heating food items like kills microbes. Similarly, storing food items at low temperatures prevents growth of microbes. Pasteurization. The process of heating milk to about 70 degrees Celsius for 15 minutes to 30 seconds and suddenly chilling it to prevent the growth of microbes are called pasteurization. This process was discovered by the Louis Pasteur. By storage and packing. Many food items are stored in airtight containers to protect them from microbes. Nitrogen cycle. Atmosphere nitrogen, lightning fixes nitrogen, bacteria turn compounds of nitrogen to gaseous nitrogen, uptake by plants, animal eats plants, nitrogen is raised from excretion and death, compounds of nitrogen in the soil, again nitrogen fixing bacteria and green algae fix atmosphere nitrogen and nitrogen go back to atmosphere. Nitrogen cycle. The nitrogen in the atmosphere is converted into nitrogen compound in the soil by nitrogen fixing bacteria and blue-green algae. Lightning also converted into nitrogen compounds in the soil. The nitrogen compounds in the soil are used by the plants for the synthesis of proteins and other compounds. Animals feeding on plants get these proteins and other compounds. When plants and animals die, bacteria and fungi in the soil convert the nitrogen waste into nitrogen compounds in the soil, which are again used by plants. Some other bacteria converts some nitrogen compounds in the soil into nitrogen gas, which goes back to atmosphere. Hence, the nitrogen in the atmosphere almost remain constant. Thank you for watching my video.